Once you have created your VM on AWS, there are two ways to connect to it through SSH. And this is the VM I have created. Let's just click on the gateway. Here you have the option of clicking connect. Just click on that one. Now you can see you can either directly hit connect and you'll be redirected to this kind of a terminal page. So here I have logged into my VM remotely from the console, but you have another option where you can click on connect and hit SSH client. Earlier, as you know, when we create any VM, we have to link a key pair with it, and this key pair is downloaded and saved in your current working directory. So it might be saved in your default directory sometimes. So what we can do is we can go to your download folder. You should be able to see a .pem file, which is your key file, and you can just click on the your path and just copy it. Right now you can see I'm already in the directory, but I can just I'm just showing it for demo. You can just change to that particular directory and then ensure that the key that you're looking for is present in this one. Next, we have a command there on the console under point number 4, under example. Just use this command. First, we can also make sure that it's reachable, the public IP is reachable. This is the public IP address. If you remove the dash and replace it with dot, ensure that there are no other blocks. Just hit enter and see the ping is giving a response. Otherwise, you would see something like a timeout. Now just hit on the above command. So there you go. This is the other way to SSH into your VM from your local system. I hope that will help.